Believe Nation, welcome to today's Sunday special new edition. Today I'm here to answer a special question by one of our viewers, and the question is in the description box below. And very short, the question is how to stop procrastination. So the answer goes, keep watching, my dear friends. So to stop procrastination, let me first of all get to the point. What is procrastination? It's a habit. It's a habit you cultivate over a very long period of time, and you repeat it continuously, this same habit, and you develop, and it all depends on one single fact: how really bad you want. You want to get a thing done in your life. You want to get a work done. You're procrastinating because first thing, you might be lazy. Second one is that you don't want that much. You don't give priority in your life. It's having a less priority in your life. So that's the one thing about it. And so I'm going to give you a special mantra that you can use to stop procrastination and get back to action. So the one thing you should remember is that you can't stop procrastination. All you can do is to overcome procrastination. And here goes the mantra: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I mean to just count backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. This mantra has really helped me a lot. So I will personally recommend you guys to go and repeat this mantra whenever you're feeling not to do something. Just stop right out there, whatever things you're doing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just do something else which kickstart the things you want to do in life. You want to complete an assignment. What should you do? You're not feeling like it. You're on your smartphone. What you need to do is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and just jump from there and just rush towards your room, get your file or get over the stuff you want to do, that particular work, and you should start doing immediately. Do something just for 1 minute. You can use the Pomodoro technique also. So just keep moving forward in life without stopping procrastination, but overcoming procrastination at a greater level. Okay, so wish you all the best. Keep moving forward in your life. Whenever you face a challenge in your life, just keep a smile on your face and dare to say, challenges fire me up and bounce back. That's it. Thank you.